Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, chapter number 1, numbers and numeration. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topics are number 1, abacus, where we will count the beads, expanded form, write the numbers or short form, write the position. Now we will count the beads and write the numbers as shown. So beta, this is an abacus. Here we have spikes. What do you mean by spike beta? Spike is a thin rod of wood or metal. Wood और metal की पतली पतली सी rods होती हैं जिन्हें हम spikes कहते हैं. ठीक है बेटा? At one's place there are 3 beads. Okay, and at tens place there are 4 beads. So what is the number? 4, 3, 43. Here we have 4 tens and 3 ones. Okay beta? Now in B part, at one's place there is no beat. It means it has 0, and at tens place in this spike we have 5 beats. So our number becomes 5, 0, 50. Means 5 tens and 0 ones. Okay beta. Now in C part, again we have at ones place there are 4 beats. Okay, and at tens place there are only 2 beats. So our number becomes 2, 4, 24. We can say that it has 2 tens and 4 ones. So now in D part, how many beats are there at ones place? There are 6 beats. Okay, and at tens place there are only 1 beat. So our number becomes 1, 6, 16. 1 tens and 6 ones. Okay. Now in E part, we have 3 beats at ones place and 3 beats are at tens place. So what is our number? That is 3, 3, 33. 3 tens and 3 ones. Now in F part, again we have no beat at ones place and there are 4 beats at tens place. So our number becomes 4, 0, 40. Now I'm going to tell you about the expanded form. Beta, what is expanded form? We can write a number in expanded form using place value of its digits. Okay बेटा, expanded का मतलब होता है expand करना यानी बड़ा करके लिखना. जब हम एक नंबर की सभी places की जो value है उन सबको जब हम अलग अलग लिखते हैं तो वो हमारी expanded form कहलाती है. Okay, now we will see how. So here we have a number 79. Okay, so first of all I am going to write places on it, ones and tens. Here we can see that at ones place we have a digit 9 and at tens place we have a digit 7. So how we can write it? We can write it as 7 tens plus 9 ones. And 7 tens means we have to multiply 7 by 10. So 7 tens means 70 and 9 ones means 9. So how we can say? We can say that the expanded form of 79 is equal to 70 plus 9. Understood? Now beta, I am going to tell you about the expanded form. Now here we have to write an expanded form. Here we have a number 56. Okay, so first of all we will write places on it, ones and tens. Now you can see that here at ones place the given digit is 6 and at tens place the given digit is 5. So how we can write it? We can write it as 5 tens plus 6 ones, and we know that 5 tens is equal to 5 multiplied by 10, and that is equal to 50, and 6 ones means 6 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 6. So how we can write it? 50 plus 6. So what is the expanded form of 56? That is 50 plus 6. Now in B part we have a number 70, and here we can see that at ones place the given digit is 0 and at tens place the given digit is 7. So how we can write it? 7 tens plus 7 ones. Understood? Now beta, see here 7 tens means 70 and 7 ones means 7. So how we will write 70 plus 7. Now in C part, we have a number 84. So 84 means 8 tens and 4 ones. So how we will write 8 tens plus 4 ones? Now 8 tens means 80 and 4 ones means 4. So the number is 80 plus 4. Now in D part, we have a number 17. Here we can see that we have 7 at ones place and 1 at tens place. So how many ones and tens are there? There are 1 10 and 7 ones. 1 10 means 10 and 7 ones means 7. So that is 10 plus 7. Now we will see some more examples of it. In E part, we have a number 63. First of all, we will write places, ones and tens. So 6 tens you can see and 3 ones are there. So 6 tens means 60 and 3 ones means 3. So how we will write 60 plus 3? So expanded form of 63 is 60 plus 3. Now in F part 99 is given. Here 9 is at both the places. So how we will write 9 tens and 9 ones. 9 tens means 90 and 9 ones means 9. So 90 plus 9. Now in G part, we have a number 36. Here 6 is at ones place and 3 is at tens place. So here 3 tens and 6 ones. See, 3 tens means 30 and 6 ones means 6. So 30 plus 6. Now in H part, we have a number 24. Now here at ones place 4 is there and at tens place 2 is there. So how we will write it? 2 tens plus 4 ones. 2 tens means 20 and 4 ones means 4. So 20 plus 4. So what is the expanded form of 24? That is 20 plus 4. Understood, beta? Now we will see short form. बेटा what is short form? Short form means the original form, जिस form में हम almost अपने numbers को लिखते हैं. Okay. And if we have given expanded form of a number, okay, then we can write its short form. How? See, here we have given 90 plus 8. We know that 90 means 9 tens and 8 means 8 ones. Okay, so first of all we will write places, ones and tens. So 8 is at ones place and 9 is at tens place. So we will write like this. So what is the short form of 90 plus 8? That is equal to 98. Now we have to write the numbers. Write the numbers means we have to write the short form. Okay, we have given 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, 3 tens means 30 and 4 ones means 4. So 30 plus 4, 34. Or if you will write the places, okay, ones and tens. So you can see that at ones place there is 4, at tens place there is 3. So you will write 3, 4, 34. Now in B part, we have 6 tens and 0 ones, means at ones place there is 0 and at tens place there is 6. So our number is 60. Now in C part, 9 tens, 2 ones. So here 2 at ones place and 9 at tens place. So what is our number? That is 92. Now in D part, 5 tens, 1 ones. So here at ones place 1 is there, at tens place 5 is there. So our number is 5 1 51. Now in E part, 7 tens, 7 ones. So at both places same digit is there. So our number becomes 7 7 77. Now in F part, 8 tens, 9 ones. So here 9 at ones place and 8 at tens place. So our number becomes 8 9 89. Now I am going to tell you about the numbers. Beta, there are two types of numbers. One is cardinal numbers. What are cardinal numbers, beta? The numbers 1, 2, 3, which tell us the number of objects or items are called cardinal numbers, beta. वो numbers जो हमें counting बताते हैं कि हमारे पास ये चीज कितनी है, ठीक है? जो हम counting बोलते हैं वो numbers क्या कहलाते हैं? Cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, beta. What are ordinal numbers? The numbers such as first, second, third, fourth, and so on, which tell us the position of an object in a collection are called ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स। बेटा जो नंबर्स हमें पोजीशन बताते हैं किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की कि वो कौन से नंबर पे, कौन से प्लेस पे, कौन सी पोजीशन पे वो चीज है, वो नंबर्स ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स कहलाते हैं। लेट्स सी विद एन एग्जांपल। सी हियर आर 5 स्टूडेंट्स वॉकिंग इन अ क्यू। यहाँ पर देखो बेटा, आपको एक टीचर दिखाई दे रही है और टीचर के पीछे बच्चे चल रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो हमने उन बच्चों की पोजीशन को देखना है कि कौन सा बच्चा कौन सी पोजीशन पे है। ओके, सो हियर are the position: first position, second position, third position, fourth position and fifth position. So here beta at first Maya is there. इस बच्चे का नाम है माया, ठीक है। तो ये माया जो है ये हमारी फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है। नाउ हियर नेहा, नेहा इज एट सेकंड पोजीशन, मतलब ये दूसरे नंबर पे खड़ी है। ओके, एंड हियर अभी, अभी इज एट थर्ड पोजीशन। ओके, एंड नैना, नैना इज एट fourth position and Manish is at fifth position. So beta these are the positions of the students के मैम के पीछे जो बच्चे चल रहे हैं वो कौन सी पोजीशन में चल रहे हैं। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ बेटा here ordinal numbers and its representation। मैम आपको बताएंगे कि आप किस तरह से ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स की स्पेलिंग्स लिख सकते हो या फिर उसको आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हो। Like here the first is FIRST, फर्स्ट ये स्पेलिंग होती है फर्स्ट की, और हम इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं, वन लगाकर और उसके पीछे ST। ओके, नाउ सेकेंड SECOND, सेकेंड, आपको स्पेलिंग्स भी लर्न करनी है बेटा। और सेकेंड को हम कैसे लिखेंगे, टू और NT। आपने देखा लास्ट के टू अल्फाबेट्स जो है वो हमने इसके पीछे लिखे हैं। नाउ थर्ड THIRD, थर्ड, और थर्ड को हम कैसे लिखेंगे, थ्री और इसके पीछे RD। नाउ फोर्थ FOURTH, अब हम ऐसे ही फोर लगा के इसके पीछे TH, लास्ट के टू जो अल्फाबेट्स हैं वो हम इसके साथ लिखते जाते हैं। फिफ्थ, अब फाइव लगाकर थर्ड। सिक्स SIXTH, सिक्स, पहले सिक्स लगाएंगे और उसके पीछे लास्ट के टू अल्फाबेट्स। नाउ सेवेंथ SEVENTH, सेवन लगा के TH, लाइक दिस। एट, 8TH, नाइन्थ, 9TH एंड टेंथ, 10 लगाकर TH। Understood beta? So you need to learn all the spellings. Okay. Today's homework is learn and write table of two twice in your fair notebook. बेटा आपको एक fair notebook बनानी है। अगर आपके पास नहीं है अवेलेबल न्यू नोटबुक तो आप वो रहने देना, आप किसी भी नोटबुक में कर सकते हैं। बट अगर आपके पास न्यू नोटबुक है तो आप एक फेयर नोटबुक लगाकर उसमें फॉर्मेट बना के और फिर जो है टेबल लिखनी है आपको टू, और ट्वाइस लिखनी है। ट्वाइस मीन्स व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ट्वाइस? ट्वाइस मीन्स टू टाइम्स, आपको दो बार टू की टेबल लिखनी है। लाइक टू मल्टीप्लाइड बाय वन इज इक्वल टू टू, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू राइट। अंडरस्टूड? थैंक यू।